Welcome to another XLSTAT video tutorial. Output sheets are automatically generated by XLSTAT, but sometimes their layout doesn't match our idea of the perfect design. Let me show you how we can easily customize them. Suppose we need to summarize the results of a survey on how the residents of two different cities commute to work. In this XLSTAT report, generated using the descriptive statistics feature, we have a summary table, followed by several bar charts. Imagine that we're going to share this report with the rest of the team. Let's see how we can emphasize the right information for an easier interpretation. To do so, I open the Options window in the XLSTAT menu and then go to the Outputs tab. First, we can enter the name of our project to be displayed at the start of the output sheet. We can make an outline appear on the left, and we can choose to display our comments. Then, we can set the table and chart titles in bold. We can choose to display test interpretations or not. Different themes for tables are available to make the header appear in a particular color. The p-value threshold can be selected, as well as the number of decimals to display. Now that our table layout is all set, let's customize the charts. XLSTAT proposes several themes: classic, modern, and scientific. We can also choose the size of the charts and also display them on a separate sheet. Let's save these new settings and run the analysis again. Here's our new output sheet. All the changes we've made have been taken into consideration. Our titles are in bold, our table header is red. You can choose to hide a part of your output sheet if you think it's too long by clicking here, and so on. In this video, we have seen how to customize XLSTAT reports. Feel free to create your own best-looking reports. Thanks for watching.